If you have a soft-sided pool like this, I have a little hack to help you on vacuuming day. Hey YouTubers, Steven here. So, this quick, easy little hack. Well, the jet comes off on these soft-sided pools. And all you need is a sock. Don't need the whole length, but you will have to take the sock and wrap it so that it goes around this like that. You want enough sock around this so that it, really grips in here good but doesn't block over the hole. And let's put this on. Alright, so now we have the sock on the end of the jet, and anything that gets past the filter as you're vacuuming is going to get caught in the sock. Now, I have to vacuum my pool. We had a lot of bugs land on it yesterday and they all sunk pretty quick, so we're going to come back and we'll have a look at how much this sock actually helps out that gets by the filter. Alright, so it's all done. What I recommend is once you change your filter, turn your pump off before you try pulling this out, because there will be all kinds of little gunk that's flapping around in here. So we're just going to slide that piece out. It's got some stuff on it. We'll rinse and our O-ring, but let's turn this down, see if I can get it. But the gunk inside that this sock prevented from going back into the pool because of these filters. Like, wow, crazy, eh? Pretty gross what goes into these pools and what you get out of the filter. But anyways, as you can see, this saved me a lot of cleaning up again. So hopefully this helps anyone else who has a pool like this. So till next time, be cool.